To import into Excel, I am going to the Data tab, and I'm going to be getting it from the internet, so from the web. Excel pulls up this page, and I just copy and paste my link into the address and click go. The link comes up, and this yellow arrow right here, it means that I can actually import this data. So I'm selecting it, and it changes to a check mark. That means that all of this data in the temperature, the highest of record, is in blue, and all of that I can select and immediately import into Excel. So down here I just click import, and I would like it to start in the first cell right here, A1, and I say OK. It pulls in the data for me, and it tells me that this is data through 2002, the years, and then the months, and the annual. So all of this has been pulled in, and as you can see, this is all the data from the major cities that was on the previous page. Now my students can look through here and find certain cities if they'd like to, or certain states, and they can then look at the temperatures, the highest temperatures in each state, each city during a given month, or the annual high and how many years it's been since that high was done. Now I'm going to insert a title above, so I'm going to insert, and that put in a row right above my first row. Here I'm going to name everything temperature, highest of record degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to take these cells right here. Going to merge them, which is right there. So now my title is all one, and I can bold my title as well. Now I'm going to make my chart that I have here, my data, into a table. So I'm going to insert table, and I have the box checked that says my table has headers, because I do have headers right here across the top of my table. And it has collected all of the data, or selected all of the data, that, as you can see by the dotted line that goes around all of it. I click OK, and I do want to convert all of my section. So now, as you can see, all of this data has become one table, and my students can do simple sorts. They can sort smallest to largest, and have for the years, or if they need to find the lowest temperature in January, that would be right here in Alaska. If they need to find the highest temperature in June, then that puts a filter on, and right here it was in Arizona, 122. So this is for very simple sorts, probably just very beginning level of working with databases. But it's very simple, and it should be very user-friendly for my students to use when interpreting temperatures for data.